Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. So if you've watched my last two videos, you will know that I'm redecorating my whole makeup room. It's getting a complete new vibe, so I'm super excited because this is kind of the first episode of doing up my makeup room. So for the past few weeks I've been clearing out things, I've been getting stuff ready just to redecorate and ordering a few new bits. So I feel like today's the day when things are going to finally come together. I've got the last little bit of clearing out to do. I need to actually clean the makeup room. I need to sort all these bits out on top and just kind of like pack them away for painting and things like that. I have a new desk coming on Tuesday. Today is Friday. So the desk is coming down. This video is going to be kind of a vlog, so it's going to be over a few days. So I'm going to take my current desk down. I've actually ordered a smaller one. You will have seen that in my, not the last video uploaded, but the one before. I said that I was getting like a smaller desk just to maximise the space in here. I really don't need a huge desk. Like, I've got this really big desk. It's actually from my studio when I used to do clients, and it has served me very well. I've had it a very long time, but it's looking a bit grubby now. I want a different vibe and I'm wanting something a little bit smaller, just so we can open up the space a bit more. We can have this as sort of like a dressing room, and I've got a huge mirror going in this corner like opposite me here, so I feel like it's going to really open up the space. It's going to look absolutely beautiful. I'm going to take you along with me for the journey as well. Also got these little baskets. These are from Zara Home and they're absolutely gorgeous. They're just kind of like storage baskets. I feel like these would go really nice in front of the glass drawers, so we're going to put some things in them and kind of rearrange them, but I only got 3 just to kind of see what they look like before I kind of like go ahead and order loads. But I want loads of different ones, like woven baskets, white baskets, that kind of thing, just to give like a really neutral vibe in here. And I feel like these are absolutely insane. I will link them below, but they're literally just so nice. Like, the quality as well is just insane. So I'm kind of thinking of doing like 1, 2, 3 along this glass drawer and moving some bits around in here, and then eventually I want some like white woven baskets in here, and same with here as well, all down here. So I'm kind of wanting to like style all the drawers up just to make them look really nice. So the baskets are in and it's just so much more of a vibe. So much more of a vibe. I haven't even filled them yet. I haven't even taken the tags off, to be honest, but I just feel like they look so good in here. I don't know what I'm going to put in these baskets yet because I have been clearing out and doing different things, moving things about, so I don't actually know what's going to go in this drawer. Maybe kind of like lifestyle things like candles or accessories. I don't really know, to be honest. Cross that bridge when we get to it. But imagine some like white ones underneath here. Oh my goodness, this is going to look so good, guys. Ignore the sponges and the spray and everything, but imagine how like neutral this bit's going to look and like how cluttered these kind of look now. Like, I want it to be more this vibe than this vibe. I've also got these little stickers to put in these holes here. It's something that I just never did when I put this storage up a couple of years ago, but you can actually get like little plugs that go in these from IKEA, but I just haven't got them and I don't know why, but I found these that I bought ages ago that I just never even ended up finishing off, so I'm also going to do that today. So guys, this is what we're looking at. It's so bare. So obviously this desk, it's got makeup stains and stuff all over it. I'm gonna dismantle this now. It's my new desk in this box. Just blocking out my address. Dust, hoover, and then clean. And I'm just gonna kind of leave these how they are, but cover them. Tape all the sides that are like next to the wall so I don't get any paint on them. These actually do need cleaning, the glass especially. There's just like a few little marks on the glass, but I'm actually gonna do that after I've painted. I'm gonna clean all this afterwards. Just so that it looks kind of nice, and if I do get any paint on it, it'll just wipe straight off. So guys, the cleaning is done. I've cleaned all the skirting, the doors, I've done all the PVC on the window and the windowsill. I've literally scrubbed the carpets. I brought all my paint stuff up. This is what I'm going to be using. It's Dulux Egyptian cotton, really nice shade. I feel like if you want in like neutral vibes that are not too grey, not too beige, just somewhere in the middle, Egyptian cotton is the one. It's so gorgeous. So what I'm going to do now is put a dust sheet down over the carpets. I'm going to actually get changed out of this tracksuit because I only got this from Zara like a few days ago. And I'm going to put like a really old tracksuit on for painting just in case the paint doesn't come out. I know it's water-based, so it should do, but you never know. And then I think we should make a start on the painting. Also, my hair is so greasy today. I was going to wash it last night, but I thought if I'm painting today, I'm just going to get paint in my hair anyway. So we're just going to get one more day out of the hair today. So it's a little bit dark now because it's a little bit later on, but you can see the colour that the walls are drying and kind of like the colour that it's going to be. It's just going to look so good. I can't wait to take all like the tape off and everything. And I think I'm going to do like a second coat either tonight or in the morning, but I'm loving the contrast between the white of the storage and this colour wall. I feel like it looks so good. Hello gorgeous people, just putting my perfume on for the day, don't mind me. The last time we spoke, I think I'd just done the first coat of paint. I actually ended up doing a second coat of paint later that night. So as you can see behind me, the painting is all done. I don't know if you can see it against this white. It's just kind of like the most neutral colour. It's just absolutely fantastic. Ignoring my painting ladders, but I don't know if you can see against the white of the radiator. This is the colour that it's turned out as. And I'm absolutely obsessed, to be honest. This is genuinely the worst angle that I could ever put this. But we're going to build the desk. So that is my task for today, is building the desk. And I'm also going to put the light fitting up. And I need to put those holes over the, you know, the gaps. The stickers over the hole in the gaps in the makeup storage. Tomorrow I'm going shopping. I'm going to go and get a curtain pole. I've seen one that I like in Dunelm. And then I need a new chair for my desk. And I've seen one I really like in TK Maxx. I saw it like, honestly, like weeks ago. And I didn't get it because I had no reason to get it. Like I thought, oh, that's a really nice chair. I didn't get it. And then now I'm doing it at the makeup room. I'm thinking, I need a new chair. Because this one is like my really old office one from the studio. Like it's just so old. Like it's just not fitting the new vibes. Like I want something like boo cool, you know what I mean? So I'm going to get this desk open, and that is our task for this morning. So this is the new desk. It's actually coming up a little bit warm on camera, but it's a little bit more cool tone in person. But I absolutely love it. I just feel like, imagine having like a white or cream tray on here, just with like a little candle and some bits. I might even get that next tray from downstairs that I had and put it on here. Or I think I have another one as well that I got from Primark that might look really nice here with like a little candle. I love that this is like smaller as well, like shorter. I just genuinely didn't need a huge desk. If I just bring my mirror down here, obviously this needs a clean. Oh my god, I am absolutely obsessed. No, this is the light fitting that I've been oh my god, I love it. It's like a dream. Obviously, this has now turned into Cat Central. I didn't actually think about how much this would bother him. Right? What? Obviously, it's like feathers, so it's kind of like a bird. still need to do all the stickers, but this is how I've styled this first shelf. And then this is the second one, just with all my perfumes. Sorry if you can hear any cats meowing loud. Then this is the final one. I think this is my favourite. Obviously, if you watched my H&M haul, you will have seen this. This is Zara Home. This is Primark, I believe. H&M Home, H&M. And I think I got the Chanel book off Amazon, maybe. So that is 1, 2, 3 shelves. So this is my gorgeous chair from Amazon. It's kind of like a sheep rather than buckle. If you can see clumps of cat hair on it, it's because the cats are absolutely obsessed with laying on this. They just love it so much. It's so big, and I feel like this will look good in photos as well. I've been using it in the backgrounds of my videos and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with this. I'll link it on my Amazon storefront and in the description as well. I don't even think I've spoken about the mirror yet, but this is from Mirror Maison. If I just come back a little bit, it's absolutely huge. The maxi mirror from Mirror Maison, and it's with the black frame. It's absolutely stunning. It's so big. I feel like I can get such good content here, and I just love having a mirror in this room. It just really like opens up the space. It just makes the room look so much bigger. Then I also picked up this little rug. This is from Dunelm. This is faux, by the way. I would never buy real. So guys, the makeup room is finally complete, done. We are finished. Everything's kind of all in its place. The only thing I need to do, which is going to take me a while because otherwise this video will never go up, is I do need to get some baskets just to cover the front of the glass drawers, but I'm kind of not decided what vibe I want to go for with that yet. So everything is done. So I'm going to show you my new makeup room and how it's all turned out.